Hi there, welcome. So in this video, we are going to see how we can configure a static routing protocol and Cisco packet tracer. So I'm going to choose some devices from here, for example, this router, and this is another router, and I'm going to choose two switches as well, one switch, and this is the second switch, and two PC from here. This is one PC, and this is another PC. So we are going to connect this with cables to this switch to this router, and this router to this one, again to this switch, and to this PC. Okay, so in here, since we have used two router, so we can have three networks in here, and this is okay. We choose network from here. This is one network, it can be another network, and this is the third network. So we can have three network in here. So if I subnetting this from class C IP address 192.168.1.0, this is the first network, and this is the second network 192.168.2.0. This is the second network, and this is the third network 192.168.3.0. okay, so what we are going to do, first of all, we need to have to give IP address to this PCs and routers. Okay, let's go to desktop. IP address, we are going to give an IP address from this range 192.168.1.1 with /24 255.255.255.0, and this PC from this range 3.0. okay, 192.168.3.1. so okay, now we have to go to our routers and give IP address to these ports as well, fast 0/0 and fast 0/1, and also this router fast 0/0 and fast 0/1. so this router CLI, so we need to select no in here. So this is the user mode, enable, this is the privilege mode, and we have to go to config global configuration mode, conft global configuration mode, interface fast 0/0. 0/0 is in this site, so we have to give an IP address from this range. I'm going to see no shutdown. The port is up now. IP address 192.168.1.2, because there were one IP address is assigned to this PC. okay, with /24 255.255.255.0. okay, now we have to go to interface fast 0/1. This was the fast 0/0 interface fast 0/1, no shutdown. IP address 192.168.2.1, because this is our second network 2.0, so we have to give it 2.1 with /24 255.255.255.0. okay, save it and show IP interface brief. As you can see that we have assigned 1.2 to this interface and 2.1 to this interface. okay, now let's move to this router CLI and no enable conft interface the fast 0/0. if you focus, fast 0/0 is in this site, so we have to give an IP address from this site, this network. No shutdown, IP address 192.168.2.2. it's slash 24.255.255.255.0. Interface fast 0 over 1, no shutdown. Fast 0 over 1 is in this side, interface fast 0 over 1. So we have to give an IP address from this range. No shutdown. Okay, IP address 192.168.68.3.2 because 1 is assigned to this PC. Slash 24.255.255.255.0. Okay, and save it. Show IP interface brief. As you can see, the 2 is assigned to this port and 3.2 is assigned to this port. Okay, great. So now let me give a default gateway for this PC as well. The default gateway of this PC can be this port of this router, fast 0 over 0 over 0. So the IP address of fast 0 over 0 was 192.168.68.1.2. Okay, save it, and you have to give an default gateway for this PC as well. It was 192.168.3.2 because 3.1 is IP address of itself and 3.2 was the IP address of fast 0 over 1. This is the default gateway for this PC. Okay, save it, and let's go to this PC, and I want now to ping from this PC 0, I want to ping PC 1. So if I ping is a protocol to check the connectivity between the networks. Ping 192.168.3.1. If I ping, it says unreachable, unreachable, unreachable. It means that we don't have connection between this PC. So what I'm going to do, we are going to now configure a static routing protocol. For a static routing protocol, we need to assign the non-connected network to these routers. For example, for this router, this network is connected, this network is also connected, but this network is not connected. So we have to assign this network to this router. And for this router, this network and this network is connected, but the first network is not connected. So if I go to this router, conf t IP route, this is the command for static routing protocol. IP route to this network 192.168.3.0 slash 24.255.255.255.0. So we are going to say, if you want to go to this network, you have to exit from this port, or we have to assign the IP address of the next hop. So I'm going to introduce this port. If you want to, I'm going to say to this router, if you want to go to this network, you have to exit from this port, fast 0 over 1. So if you want to go fast 0 over 1, okay, and save. Show IP route. As you can see, this network, this is the connected, this is also the connected, and this is the remote network that we have assigned right now. So let's go to this router, conf t IP route, but for this router, this one is not connected, so we have to assign this network. IP route 192.168.1.1.1.0 slash 24.255.255.255.0. If you want to go to this network, you have to exit from this port, fast 0 over 0, fast Ethernet 0 over 0, and save. Show IP route. As you can see, this network is assigned to this PC. This network is connected, and this is also connected, but we have assigned this network. So now, if I go to this PC and ping again, PC number 1. Let's wait. Okay, request timeout. Okay, great. Uh, for the first 3 packet, it was request timeout, request timeout. But for the 4th packet, it was a success message. So if I ping it again, it is successful. It is saying it is sending the 4 packets, and it's receiving the 4 packets as well. It is saying in this millisecond, 1 millisecond, in 19 milliseconds, they received this packets. So if I turn on simulation, look, you can look at this simulation. If I go to this PC and ping it, okay, let's minimize this, start. You can see packet is coming to this switch, and from this switch is going to this router. Okay, great. From this router is coming to this switch, sending to the PC. And all the process back. Then this PC is sending response to this switch, again to this router, and finally to this PC. As you can see, yeah, it is receiving the packets. So this is the basic configuration that how we can configure static routing protocol. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please like the video and comment